Hey everyone, if your Google Pixel won't pair via Bluetooth or keeps disconnecting, I'll show you simple fixes step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off nearby device scanning. Go to Settings on your device, scroll down and tap Location. Now tap Location Services, then tap Bluetooth scanning and turn it off. This prevents background interference. Solution 2. Forget and repair the Bluetooth device. Saved pairing data may be corrupted. Open Settings on your device, then tap Connected Devices. Next, tap See All, tap the gear icon next to the device. Tap Forget, put the Bluetooth device in pairing mode, pair it again from scratch. Solution 3. Reset Bluetooth and network settings. This fixes most persistent pairing issues. Open Settings on your device, scroll down and tap System. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap Reset Options. Then select the Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This will erase saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth networks. Restart your phone afterward. After that, check Bluetooth to see if it's working. That's how to fix Bluetooth issues on Google Pixel. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment if the problem continues. Thanks for watching.